Hi, my name is Ashley Lanning. I am the owner and operator of Naughty Cuts Salon in Lawrence, Kansas, located in the U.S. I just recently finished the dreadlock training course online with Divine Dreadlocks, and I have to tell you, I am so impressed. This was such a great course. It allowed me to work at my own pace. It gave me the knowledge not only about the hair background, but also into the business side of things, and kind of like let me know what I needed to have in order to incorporate these services into my salon smoothly, easily, without any type of hiccups. So I am so thankful that I was able to have the opportunity of working with everyone and learning a new niche to my business. Thank you so much.